Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple yet crispy taro fries or taro chips recipe. Very easy to put together and you are definitely going to love this recipe. So if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now let's dive right into it. Alright, so here I have my taro root. I've washed and cleaned it very nicely a day before I'm using this. So as you can see, it's a little bit dry, but all the same it's all clean and perfect. So moving forward, I'll go ahead and start by peeling off the skin from the taro, just the way you see it on the screens right now. You can also use any other method or technique that you can use to peel off the skin from the taro root very easily. This is how I normally do it sometimes, or vice versa. So any other ways that can help you peel it very easily, feel free to use that method. All right, so while that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so whilst we are done peeling off the skin from the taro, I will start by sectioning or cutting them into the sizes that I want. We also don't have any systematic way of doing this. You just have to be creative and cut your taro just the way you want it, just the way you see it on the screens right now. Alright, so we are done cutting the taro, and this is how I want the sizes to be. It's just perfect and ready. Alright, so moving forward, I'm also going to be washing my taro in a clean water for about 2 to 3 times until the water runs out very clean. Whilst we washing our taro, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload any video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after washing the taro root for about 2 to 3 times, it is nice and ready. Moving forward, I'm going to be soaking the taro roots in salt water for about 30 minutes or 1 hour if you had that much time. Alright, so I'm just going to be using salt for this. You can also go in with any other seasoning to enhance the taste of this taro roots, but the salt is just perfect. So I'm going to soak it, and after extra 30 minutes I will start to heat up my cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice, and after the oil is nice and hot, I'll go in with my chopped taro root or my ruby, and I'm going to be frying this on high heat. Remember to fry this on high heat, because if you don't fry it on high heat, it's going to absorb the oil and we don't want that. All right, so now let's fry until it's nice and crispy. Whilst our taro is frying, if you haven't give this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the taro for about 5 to 10 minutes on high heat, as you can see, it is coming together very nicely and perfect. So now our taro is ready and very crispy. So I'm going to remove everything from the oil, and I'll repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this fried taro recipe. It came out very crispy and very perfect. I enjoyed mine with some fried fish, hot pepper, and also a little bit of sausages. You can also pair this with any sauce or any meat of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and kindly follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.